Have you ever pondered over just how long it takes for a website to start bringing in enough revenue for you to bid farewell to your 9-to-5 grind? Or perhaps you've wondered about the duration required to build a substantial mailing list, capable of generating a comfortable income purely from affiliate sales via email? Well, brace yourself for a reality check. The journey to successful online income is not a sprint, but a marathon. Internet marketing isn't the golden ticket to overnight wealth that many perceive it to be. Instead, it's a long-term strategy that reaps significant rewards for those who commit to the process, consistently produce high-quality content, and engage in active marketing. Here's a case in point: a YouTube channel with a whopping 3 million subscribers, raking in $15,000 a month from ad revenue. Sure, $15,000 a month might sound like a dream for many, but remember, 3 million subscribers is a gigantic audience. Even with a stroke of extraordinary luck, most people won't see those numbers for several years. In your first year, you might consider yourself fortunate to attract 10,000 viewers and earn around $200 a month. The same principle applies to placing ads on a website. Building website traffic is a challenging endeavor. It demands frequent posts, diligent search engine optimization, guest posting, and even then, it could take several months to attract a few thousand regular viewers each week. AdSense, the Google ads that many marketers utilize, earns only a few cents or dollars per click at best. Therefore, you need tens of thousands of views every day to generate a substantial income through this method. As an internet marketer, selling an affiliate product could boost your earnings significantly. However, this strategy involves building trust with your audience, which is another time-consuming process. You can also supplement your income with other advertising methods such as banner ads, video sponsorship deals, and alternate advertising platforms. Growth hacks like influencer marketing can accelerate your progress. But the bottom line is that building a successful online income stream requires time, effort, and financial investment. So, the next time you think about earning money online, remember that it's a journey that demands patience, dedication, and a healthy dose of reality. The online realm is not a get-rich-quick playground, but a platform for long-term financial growth for those willing to put in the work. Today's financial tips have been brought to you with the hopes of providing clarity and understanding about the realities of making money online. Remember, it's not about quick wins, but about consistent effort and strategic planning.